Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create paypal.me profile of yours on your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then select this option right here called paypal.me. Now you just need to select on this button right here which says create paypal.me profile. Now if you want to add a photo of yours, then you can add it by just selecting this option right here called add photo, and if you do not want to, just like me, then you can go with this option right here called not now. Now you just need to enter your agency name or yours name right here like this, and you need to choose from one of these options. And just like that guys, now this paypal.me profile is available to use, and now just select on this next button. Now select this option right here like this, and now again select on this agree and create button, and now just select on this done button. So just like that guys, now you have successfully created your paypal.me profile on your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.